In this question, you have to match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2. Now, glycosuria denotes the presence of glucose in the urine, and this is observed when the blood glucose level rises above 180 mg per 100 ml of blood, and this is called renal threshold value for glucose. Thus, A matches with 4. Now, gout is due to deposition of uric acid crystal in the joint. Thus, B matches with 1. Renal calculi are precipitates of calcium phosphate produced in the pelvis of the kidney. Thus, C matches with 2. And glomerular nephritis is the inflammatory condition of the glomerulus, which is characterized by proteinuria and hematuria. Thus, D matches with 3. Hence, the correct answer is option C.